Hello friends, I'm Aaron Thompson, owner of Sapphire, Knoxville, Tennessee. This week we're gonna make the mint julep in honor of the Kentucky Derby. So let's grab that bourbon, simple syrup, and mint and get to work. We prepared a mint-infused simple syrup to capture the essence of the fresh mint. So if we're making this the old-fashioned way, we're gonna take 5 mint leaves. We're gonna muddle that with a little bit of simple syrup, about 1/2 ounce. You're just trying to express the oils, you don't have to get crazy. From there, we're gonna take pebble ice. You really wanna load up the ice. And the reason for that is we're gonna put about 2 to 2.5 ounces of bourbon in this cocktail. It's a lot. So it's really bourbon, water, and sugar with mint for flavoring, essentially. So you're making a little slushy. So you need quite a bit of ice, or it'll just turn into bourbon and water. But you want it to get ice cold like it's hot and you're at the racetrack. Last thing you're gonna do, garnish with a beautiful mint bouquet, get the aromatics. And that's the mint julep. Cheers. Don't like bourbon? No big deal. You can substitute gin, vodka, even that one that Jerry Thomas loved, brandy. Don't feel like going to all this trouble? Mint juleps are gonna be available at Sapphire to go and delivery starting today, Friday, May 1st. Order at sapphireknoxville.com. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Cheers.